Understanding the standard deviation is crucial for analyzing data in various fields, including statistics, finance, and science. It measures the dispersion or variability of a dataset relative to its mean. This guide will walk you through the process of finding the standard deviation, both manually and using software tools. What is standard deviation? Standard deviation is a statistic that quantifies the amount of variation or dispersion in a set of data values. A low standard deviation indicates that the data points are close to the mean, while a high standard deviation indicates a wider range of values. 1. Find the mean average. The mean is the sum of all data points divided by the number of data points. Mean xi and mean mn(xi), where xi is the sum of all data points and mn is the number of data points. 2. Calculate each data point's deviation from the mean. Subtract the mean from each data point to find the deviation. Deviation xi, deviation xim 3. Square each deviation to ensure all values are positive. Squared deviation xi2, squared deviation xim2, 4. Find the mean of these squared deviations. This step gives you the variance, which is the average of the squared deviations. Variance 2xi2 and variance s2 and xim2 for the sample. Use n1 n1 instead of nn to get an unbiased estimate. Sample variance s2 xi2 n1, sample variance s2 n1 xim2, 5. Take the square root of the variance. The standard deviation is the square root of the variance. Standard deviation xi2n, standard deviation sn xim2.